Thank God I can breathe, I can be what they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be.
Welcome to Forex, the only channel Professor Nick into the financial market. Please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that also notification. So each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this video. If you're seeing me for the first time, and I am Forex Academy. So in today's video, I will be talking quickly on an educational content on how to flip a small forex account into big amount of money using the mental trader 5 only. I didn't say MT4, I didn't say C trader, I stated rightly using the MT5 only. So a lot of people does not understand MT5 much as the way they understand MT4, and a lot of people are not much familiar with MT5 just the way they are familiar with their MT4 and their C trading. But do you know that MT5 is the best trading platform for flipping smaller account? Why do I say so? Okay, let's say for instance, do you know that with MT5 you can close multiple position size at once? Do you know that there are advanced features on MT5 that are not in your MT4? So how do you able to manage this account? Do you know that when flipping comes in, when we are flipping account, do you know that we start getting multiple position like 10, 20, 50, 40, 5, 6, 8, etc. I've seen a 1000 entry position. I've seen in 100 here. I have done 20, I've done 5, I've done 8, I've done 10. So how do you use this MT5? So my guys, to those who will be asking me how do I subscribe this MT5 or how do I get this on my Play Store, I'll just call me. I don't have MT5 at all on this on my phone. You can see it MT5. So what do I have to do? I have to download it, yeah, back to my phone. So I have to do it. I have to wait.
Thousand years later.
So what's up, my guys? I have done downloaded the app successfully. So let's click open. So as you can see, it brings me here. I allow notification because I like to see notification in case anything is going on wrong on my trade. I open here. Yeah. Let me open the demo account. I open the demo account. Then it keeps loading. As you can see, there are many options here. You do normally my POS. At times I delete everything here except this one. And I had one thing, my lovely gold. Yeah. So later we had now 100. Okay, let's look for opportunity to trade here. So I can be able to show you more options of how the trade is doing. So on this particular trade now, my analysis is it will be going up. I'll be more of buy than sell. So let's use 0.05 8 times. Let's go one. I have to accept it because it is a new future be installed on my phone. Then I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's open. Yeah, as you can see now, there are multiple positions be loading here. If you click on the interface of the money, you will see close position. Yeah, if I click on this close position, that means I want to singly close one position. If I tap here, if I tap any of here, yeah, yes, modify trade. What does the modify trade on MT4 or even on MT5 state? It states that here I have to add my stop loss here, I have to add my take profit. For instance, I just saw an opportunity and I don't want to add my stop loss and take profit. I will have to modify the trade. Let's take for instance, yeah, I want a bulk operation. Like what bulk operation mean? Bulk operation is not on MT4. Bulk operation is not on C trader. It only allow on mental trader 5. So that is the features here. So the first thing I have to do is I have to click on this bulk operation. If you look at this bulk operation, and you will see that truly MT5 was created for flipping account. You must I click on this close position. If I click on this close position, that means all position will be closed. If I click on losing position, clicking on losing position means the position, my open position, the ones I am in loss, it will close on buy position. Let's take for instance now, I am buying on SAUSD while I am selling on Euro USD. I am buying on NAS 100 while I am selling on. If I click close buy position, that means it has to close all position that I want buy. So if I make close all losing position, close all SAUSD position, that means all good position I open, it has to close it. So that is what bulk operation mean in trading. Let me say, let me if I should click all position, you get it. So these are the interface, yeah, that is made in MT5 that permits flipping and not flipping. So
Guys,
thank you.
welcome to Forex. I think I have taken you all to the path and the journey of how you can flip trading MT5 MetaTrader 4 and through using MetaTrader 5 only. So if there's anything you want to know about the course, or if there's any question regarding this topic, or you want to see good content like this, educational content, sweet and lovely content, sorry guys, so please and please don't forget to drop comment on the comment section. And if you are not trading with any Forex Academy, or you are not in any Telegram, or you are finding it difficult to figure out what Forex is, please don't forget to join my Telegram channel, and don't forget to hit me up on DM. I am open to everybody. I don't charge fee. Just join. Let's build a community and a professional Forex trading where everybody will be milking from the Forex space. So peace. If you never subscribe, I beg, help me subscribe. Click that subscribe button now. Yes.